First of all, I need someone to remind me to wash my makeup brushes because I need to do that. And second of all, what do you guys think if I take this down and I put up that like wallpaper from Target, like the cute wallpaper, like the spotted one? What do you think? Let me know. I'm debating it, but I haven't decided yet. I don't know. Okay. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back. Today it is the middle of October, and do you know what that means? Seasonal allergies. They are kicking my ass. It is not a good time. So if I sound extra nasally today, that is why. They are kicking my ass. It is not a good time. Okay, I actually just got a humidifier. I'm hoping that that helps because I try to I don't want to take a whole bunch of allergy medication. So I'm really hoping that that helps. Anyways, we have an exciting video today. Today is day 2 of trying out new collections every day for a week and a day. In my head, that sounded a lot better. But today I am so excited because I have the Mikayla and GLAMLITE collection. If you don't know who Mikayla is, I'm assuming you do, because like she's huge on TikTok. She's really entertaining to watch. I actually really like her. I love watching her TikTok. I watch it all the time. I will say though, this collection came out so long ago. And again, this is the collection. I asked you guys if you wanted to see me try it out, if you wanted to know my thoughts on it. Some people said no, because they are not fans of Mikayla. Understandable. I'm sorry. The vast majority said that y'all wanted me to. And then some people asked for like multiple looks. So let me know in the comments down below. I'm only going to do one look today. I think maybe I'll do a different look on each eye. I don't know. But let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to do another video where I do multiple looks, like a week worth of looks or something like that. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Just let me know in the comments down below. Today we're just going to try everything out though. I will say that GLAMLITE, I ordered this when it was launched. I think I got it like 3 or 4 months later. I had completely forgot about it. It was like a pre-order, but it was like the second round of pre-orders or something. I don't know. It was a freaking nightmare. I think that they handled it well. Like, I'm not mad at GLAMLITE for it, but it took forever to get here. And I just got it recently, so we're gonna go ahead and do the video. But it took forever. It took so long. So if you're not interested in this, then you're probably not watching me say this. So hello to everyone who is interested. And also, I know that I don't do, like normally around the holidays, I do, you know, like a couple here and there videos of trying out new like holiday collections. But I don't do them like very often, and I mentioned that when I first talked about doing this week of them. If you guys like these videos and you want me to do more, by all means, let me know in the comments. Y'all can request collections you want me to see. I'm only going to get collections that I'm actually like super interested in, but at least then I would know what y'all want to see. So if you have any specifics, just pop them down below. Okay, so in this collection, we have a highlight, an eyeshadow palette, 2 false lashes, and a lip set. Okay, so I can wear false lashes now, as we all know. I should put in a clapping sound. These lashes, though, those are big boys, you guys. The full collection is sold out. The palette is sold out. The 3D faux lashes are still in stock. The lip gloss set is still in stock, and the highlight is still in stock. So I'll leave links to all of it down below. I don't know if they plan on doing another restock or not, but just in case, I think that there's like, in most places, you can email if there's a, okay, anyways. These are big lashes, is my point. I wear glasses, so I am semi-concerned about that, because these are, like, look at these compared to my face. Okay, so we're gonna try those out though. We're gonna see how they go. There is a highlight, which I think this is what we're gonna use first. A lip set, and then the freaking palette. Listen, when this collection launched, right? Because I normally don't do like the collab collections because I don't really like them. When this collection launched and I saw this eyeshadow palette, I was like, this is a beautiful eyeshadow palette. Oh my goodness. So had to get it. 100% I had to get it. And then I was looking at the rest of the collection and I was like, honestly, that whole collection is cute. I'll just get the whole collection. Like, you know, collector's mentality. So I don't know. I'm ripping this. That's what's happening. I've had like no caffeine today, so I just like chugged a whole bunch of caffeine, and now I don't know if I'm just like overly tired or if I'm overly caffeinated. This is the highlight. It doesn't have like a shade name anywhere that I can see. And you guys, can we just, like, do you see how beautiful this is? Do you see how? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna turn on my lights down here so you guys can see a little bit better, and let's get into this because we've chatted enough. It's been like 8 minutes of me chatting. Let's go. So I've done obviously most of my makeup. I did everything but eyes, lips, and highlight. Wait, when you guys get seasonal allergies, do you get seasonal allergies where like your brain just gets foggy? And like it sounds like as you say things, they're making sense, but like when they come out, no sense has been made. Is that just me? That's really pretty. I actually really like that. I'm gonna blend it out a little bit. I'm just gonna get the highlight kind of where I want it. And then I'm gonna take a different brush and just kind of blend it. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, I like the highlight. The highlight's gorgeous. And it really is. Like, it's so pretty. So pretty. Okay, I did do my brows and I did do eye primer. I just used the Urban Decay anti-aging eyeshadow primer. The one that was in my Shop My Stash. So if you saw my Shop My Stash, you know what I'm talking about. This is the palette. This is the packaging. Packaging is cute enough, okay? This... this palette. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I did not buy the palette just for the glitter shaker, okay? That was like a part of it though. Like a small part of it. Okay, but have you seen the inside of it? Are you? Oh! Do you see like those shimmers? Oh, okay. See, and this is why I like this palette, because you guys know that I love shimmer and bright colors. And the whole thing, it's so pretty. I have not even swatched this yet. You guys, I need to do a look. The issue here now is though, I don't know what look I'm going to do. I usually like a purple kind of blue look. Like she has back here, right? Kind of draw inspiration from that. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. All right, we're gonna see. It's hard to, because of like the angle that her face is at, it's hard to see exactly what she has like on her eyes, but I think we can do something close to it, which is like close enough. There's no shade to like set my eye primer with, so we're not setting the eye primer today. We're gonna jump right into this. We're gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna go into this shade MJ right here, which is this beautiful, beautiful purple shade, okay? And that's gonna be what I put in my crease, kind of blown out a little bit. This is risky. Oh, this is hard because I can't see. Okay, it's not gonna be perfect, but it's gonna be, we're gonna try to make it close. Inspired by, I don't know. Let's see. This shade is very pigmented, which I like. And I haven't tried like blending it out yet, because right now I'm just trying to get creative color placement. But so far, it's going well, which is nice. I will say, GLAMLITE palettes are seriously some of my favorites. I have that Ice Cream Dream palette, oh, the best. And then they just came out after this collection, like literally just came out with it. Their Happy Hour palettes, right? Their Happy Hour collection. I bought that collection too. My only issue with a lot of the GLAMLITE stuff is they're like shaped in like circles or like shaped like hamburgers or slice of pizza, and I don't like that. So I skipped those because I don't like the packaging. But I bought the Happy Hour collection. I'm not doing a video on it, I don't think. I might do like a TikTok or something, I don't know. GLAMLITE palettes are gorgeous. Like they're so pigmented. They are so beautiful. And I feel like they're not talked about enough. They gained some traction with like their pizza palette and things like that. But just overall, like they could be talked about so much more. And they're not, and it always makes me really sad. I'm trying to build up the outside a little bit because I'm gonna have a kind of curve under. I don't know if this is what she has, but I'm gonna add a little bit of this Portuguese shade right here, this really dark purple, but it's like kind of like a shimmer. I'm gonna add a little bit of that, like the teensiest amount, to my outer corner. I'm gonna get some of that off the brush, and then I'm gonna try to blend that in a little bit. Not the greatest, but it's not the worst. I just don't know what she used for depth. I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is called New Beige. And this is going to be my, I think, all over lid shade. Like the last 3/4 of the lid. That is so pretty. Okay, it's really pretty. I love these shades. And you guys know I'm such a sucker for purple, especially. I'm just layering it on right now because I just want something, you know? Like, I like all purple looks, but you gotta have it broken up a little bit. I'm going to use NAS, which is this shade right here, for like the last little bit of my lid. And then drag down to my inner corner. Because I'm pretty sure that that's what she's done in the pictures. And even if I'm wrong, I like the way that looks because it gives it a little, it kind of draws your eyes in more, you know what I mean? Their shades. Oh, the formula is so good. And I did a video on the Ice Cream Dream palette too. Was it on that collection or was it just that palette? See, now I've taken this in further than I wanted to because I just get so caught up. I'm going with the same brush that I used to do NAS. I'm going back into New Beige and I'm just lightly overlapping it to kind of make the blend look a little more seamless. There's like no super light shade that I can use to blend it out, which I do like when they have that, but that's fine. I feel like it's not as blended at the top as I'd like it to be, but I also feel like it's starting to like look a little off. Do you know what I mean? I need to connect the lower lash line. I am going back into, I've got like a little smudge brush now. I'm going to go back into MJ. And I'm going to put that under my lower lash line. And I'm doing it quite big now because I'm going to smudge it out and blend it out. And I want to connect it to this dip that I made over here. I feel like she did something more. I don't know. I'm going to go into, with the same brush, this shade right here, which is Rhody. And I'm going to do that like it's right here. I brought pencil liner and I brought a mascara and I did not bring a liquid eyeliner. So let me grab a liquid eyeliner. I'm just using Tarte liners today, Sex Kitten in liquid and pencil form. I'm going to do this really quick and then I will come back and we will do the false lashes and the lip glosses and we'll see if we need to fix anything with the eyes. I don't know yet. I don't know. I have no idea. So hang on just a second. Are they even? It looks crooked to me. Now I'm seeing doubles. Oh, good Lord. Whew. What's missing? You know what's missing? Freaking highlight. That's what's missing. I'm gonna use the NAS shade because I don't know. How the rest of them would look. Okay, we're moving on. I'm gonna do a little coat of mascara. I have the Smashbox Super Fanned Out Mascara, and then we're gonna try to put on some of these damn lashes. Got my lash mirror. If you don't know what this is, why did you not watch my video where I tried this out and my life was changed? I'll link it up above. You should go watch that while I set this up. Oh wait. Oh, my mirror's all dirty now. I have two lashes here. There is Brand New and Code Orange. I think I'm gonna go with Code Orange. I'm flexing the band. And I still am using the Duo Quick Set Strip Lash Adhesive in white clear. Okay, I don't even know if this is the right size for me. It's a little long. All right, let's see if it works. Let's try them out. I mean, the lashes are gorgeous. So they went on pretty easily. They're very thick, they're very large. So I'm not super used to that. And I think they're larger than I would have normally gone. So because I am still I've just figured out how to put lashes on. They're large. I don't think I would like buy lashes this large on like a regular basis. You know what I mean? But they're really pretty. I like them. Okay. I think they look good with this. All right. Now we have the lip set. Okay, this is the last piece of the collection. I feel like overall though, this is like a decent collection. All right, let's take a look. You get 3 lips to doodles in here. These all lip glosses with no shade names. Oh, good Lord. Okay. Well, there's 3 shades. I don't see any shade names. There is this. That is just a clear shimmer. Okay. There is this one. That is a gold shimmer. And then there is this one. Okay. And that's like a nude. All right. Here's what I'm going to do. Because I don't think this is going to look good. Should I put it on? No. I'm going to put on a different lip color, and then I'm going to put the clear shimmer over it. This is the Flesh Fleshy Lips in Gorge. This is one of my lipsticks from my Shop My Stash. I'm going to go ahead and put this on. Let's put on this clear shimmer. Alright, here's the thing. The Flesh lipstick doesn't do the greatest over dry lips, and I knew that, and it's normally not a big deal because I do like a lip primer and like a lip liner and everything on top of it or underneath it. So normally it doesn't matter. In this particular case I didn't do that, and it does matter. So I'm getting very like, okay, you know what? Now that I'm looking at it again, it's not that bad. I don't love the lips, but that's alright. Okay. This is the final look. Here's the deal. I think for Mikayla especially, this collection makes a lot of sense. There's a lot of parts of the things that she likes that are equated into this collection. I like the names of the shades in the palette. I think that it fits well with her. I wish that the lip glosses and the highlight were named. I don't know why they didn't name those, and I really wish that they were, especially because they named the eyeshadows and then they named the lashes, but they didn't name the highlight or the lip glosses, and I don't fully understand why they did that. I liked everything, okay? I am a little concerned about this like nude lip gloss. I don't quite know how that's gonna look on my skin tone. I'm gonna have to try that out, but this is actually not that bad. I'm not the biggest fan of just straight up like glitter lip glosses. This one isn't like an obnoxious glitter. I like this. Like this I could wear. I like it. I would wear. I could wear anything. I would wear. The palette is gorgeous. The eyeshadow look, I was not planning to do a purple look today, but then I saw her look on the palette and I was like, that's really pretty. The lashes are gorgeous. Okay, the more, I'm kind of into this. Okay, I like this. I like the collection. I like the collection. I think it's a good collection. Hopefully they bring this back in stock because I know a lot of people wanted it and weren't able to get it. Obviously, if you have the option available to you, I would sign up to get notifications for when it comes back into stock because it will sell out quickly. It took me forever to try to get one. But I had to, I mean like, I had to have one. I had to. I like the collection though. It's a good collection. I like it. I have no idea when I'm ever gonna wear the second lashes again. If I had to pick, like if I had to go onto the website right now and choose what I was gonna pay full price for, I would get the palette and I would get the highlight. I would personally probably skip the lips and the lashes just because the lashes are a little bit large for my taste. And the lip glosses, they're really pretty, but I don't need them. You know what I mean? Like my life isn't going to be changed one way or another from having those or not having those. But like this, I adore. And the eyeshadow palette, I adore. So those are the 2 standouts to me from the collection. So let me know down below in the comments, what do you guys think? What are your standouts? What do you like the most? Do you not like any of it? And if you want to see another video with more looks in the future, also let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the bigger subscribe button below me if you'd like to see more of me. I have a lip collection try on swatch video coming on Friday, and I will catch you guys next time. Have a great one. Bye.